All right, let me go ahead and try these things on. I'm out here at a little local pond, kind of close to my house. So I got my KastKing gloves here, and you know what? I got my KastKing rod. So just putting these on, so you can pull on the pull tab there. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually change out from that wacky worm to the Amazing Baits Flacker. Let me just show you how this works. Well, there those go on. You can see how the finger and thumb. Let's go ahead and peel this out, and let's change out some baits. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take this one off. So this is a wacky hook with a big bite on it. Watch how easy this works, everybody. Because I have, you know, my fingers available here, just clip that off, cut that. Open this up. You know what? I've not even used this thing yet. This has dual trebles on it, and I don't know if you can hear that. You see the ball bearings in there? So that gives a little bit of a rattle to it. Pass it through. So now what I'm gonna do is just tie a uni knot, and because I can feel with my hands here, check that out. Very easily done right there. And just pull it. How about that, everybody? So this is fluorocarbon line. You know, it's kind of hard to see, but you know what? I can see it. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I trimmed it off there. So you know what now I can do is pull my little thumb and forefinger back down. And this has great sun protection. It's got, right in here is a microfiber top material for rubbing your hands, but check this out, everybody. So now let's go over here to the water. So you see how these gloves, see where it actually holds, where the material is right there, and how it holds right down in there. Let me do a quick cast. Give me a little slack. Oh, these things work great. Let's try that again. Grab a hold of it, do a quick cast. Oh, that went far. I like this rod too. I will leave links to where you can get this rod. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the KastKing, you know, Pro Gloves. Highly recommend these things. I'm gonna be using them on my fishing trips, that's for sure. See y'all in the next video.